And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Karol Swan on the importance of putting up hay in the summer, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later this morning. Well, now Karol is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is joining her now with more. Hey, guys.
All right, yeah, this is exciting. I could smell this down the hall, like I said earlier. It's really good. It's a fresh cucumber salsa, and this recipe is from a friend of yours.
A friend of yours, my hairstylist in York. We talk about recipes I'm going to do, and she says, I have just the one, so she sent it to me. And it takes diced cucumbers. It's about 3 cups of diced cucumbers. So the little ones, like the 6 little ones, are 1.5 of the big ones from the store. And the fun part is you can just dump it all together, and then about a medium red onion, or about a cup.
Do you have a lot of cucumbers typically in your garden?
I used to. I don't really have too much of a garden anymore. I kind of moved on to different things.
It's a lot of work. It can be a lot of work.
And then the Rotel tomatoes with the green chilies, and there are also house brands of that same product. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of garlic powder, and then the main thing is the ranch dressing mix.
Oh, the package.
The package, and then you just stir it up, and the longer you let it set, the better it tastes.
So you could make this, let's say you have a picnic to go to on the weekend, you could make this on Friday and let it sit in the refrigerator. Exactly,
because the longer it sets, the better it tastes. But it's just so easy, and like I said, my hairstylist, she and her husband, they are always doing things and bringing things into the store. Like if I go get my hair done,
yeah. Oh, so
they'll have something.
So they do a lot of cooking and baking.
Yes.
What's her name? We need to give her a shout out.
Sherry Price at Personal Touch in York. Been going to her for years. You know,
your hair looks good.
Once you have a hairstylist, you go forever.
They become part of the family.
Yes,
I know.
They certainly do.
All right, so this is the finished product here. This looks so good. And this would keep for a while too, I would guess, in your fridge.
And you can put it on hamburgers. It's really good on chicken breast. And I had a little hamburger casserole that was kind of less than stellar for supper one night. So we dumped some of that on it and kind of spiced it up so it was a little more tasty. And I don't know. I think it's kind of one of those go-to things for about anything.
No, this is so good. I mean, you're right. It could be a side. It could be on top of something. Very versatile. A lot of uses for this. The ranch, that's fun in there.
Yeah, it is. That is so easy. And like you said, you can make it well ahead of time. It'll keep a long time, and it's so versatile.
All right. Well, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page already, if you want to copy it down. So thank you.
Well, thank you. I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Thanks, Karol. Back to you, John.